welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you clicked on this video. Before I start, the first thing I want you to do is click on that subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and don't forget to comment. Next, check out my merch in my Springs t-shirts, books, hats, and water bottle, and support this channel. Thank you so much. So I'm so excited to show you another unboxing. Of course, this is not a sponsored video, but I am very pleased with this company, Sanjo, and it is a composter. And you know, this is needed for a garden. Of course, you don't have to get this type of composter. You can use a hill of dirt. You can do it in a can. You can do it in a tub, or even at the side of your garden, anywhere. But for convenience and ease, especially for me, if I want to throw something in it, or if I could get towards it to put something in it and just turn a little, it will be easier for me, especially with my one hand. So I'm so glad to get this product, and so that it will help my garden. So I'm going to unbox it right now. You know, I had to get Alex help. This is what it's supposed to look like. Looks easy, don't it? Well, you won't believe all of these parts. Wow. And of course, Alex will put it together for me. Again, I am going to read the manual. We'll see you in a bit. Wow. We have finally put the composter together. Do you believe it is about 16 parts and 60 screws that you have to put in? But it was done. It took us a long time, but we got it done. This is the opening where you will put in your scraps, vegetable scraps, card, paper, even some food scraps from your dinner plate. I would say it's not best to put animal fat in your compost, but it's up to you. And this cover is easy to move and use, and I like it. It is sturdy, is hard, the material is durable, and it is at a good height. I could even roll with the wheelchair to it, and deposit whatever I have to do that I have in the composter. So, and you know, after a time, you just turn, having everything mixed up, break down, so it can be nutrition for your plants in your garden. The composter I bought a tiller and this came with it from Sanjo. So I got a two for one, and I am very pleased. This is very sanitary. I don't think that any order it can hold a lot. It's very deep. So I'm very glad with this composter. So if you would like a composter and you like DIYs, love putting things together, a head up, you will have to put in these 60 screws. So just a head up. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos from the one-handed gardener. If you have any suggestions and anything that you would like to see on the channel, leave me a comment. So until next time, keep planting!